Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today the 2015 Ford Fiesta, stock number 7184. It's ran from the 5th 2013 to the 12th 2019. This is a WZ 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is a WZ 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 17-inch naked tyre. Left front door, no dents. Left rear 17-inch naked tyre. Left hand tail light. Rear tailgate, 1 dent. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch naked tyre. Right front door, no dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front guard. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, display cluster, stereo mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,